Hi, this is John with ATI, and this is hands down the best spray paint that I ever tried in my life. This guy here, I used it for my motorcycle. I'm trying to restore and repaint some of the parts, and using plastic, metals, or any surface that you want to take this guy into, it really, really does the job. So the fact that it's going to give you a hard layer of paint that is not going to come off really fast, it gives you a great feeling. You don't have to be doing several layers of paint. It bonds really good with plastic. And sometimes when you get spray paint and you just rub it a little bit out of the plastic, it's gonna come out. But this guy here, you get a slight touch, couple of nice layers, and you're gonna have a great quality of paint for a good time. So as I said, I'm using this for some of my places of my motorcycle. It actually is doing a great job. The motorcycle is looking nicer and nicer now. So this is a great quality of paint. And this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.